In this video, we're going to get into tapping on the law of attraction. So a lot of times what happens is we want to manifest something. We say we want it. We do the visualizations over and over again. We bring in the feelings, imagine what it would feel like, yet we're still not manifesting. And that's because there's still something in the background going on that is the opposite of receiving. You're actually pushing it away, not realizing you have a belief within you that's not allowing for you to receive what's coming in. There is the other side of also being the highest good of all. So when you are also asking for something, you want to ask that it's for the highest good of all as well. So in this video, we're going to tap generally. With everyone, it's going to be something a little more specific as to why they're not allowing the receiving of what it is that they are looking for or wanting to bring into their lives. So we're going to tap on some of the basics like it never happens to me, I'm never good enough, I'm not worthy, I don't deserve it, and just kind of go from there. If something comes up for you, another belief or an awareness, tap along with that as well. So all you need to do is follow me, repeat after me. If you are not familiar with the tapping points, you are welcome to watch the video that I also have on my channel on all the different tapping points. So here we go. Oh, you're welcome to close your eyes. I will let you know when we move spots, each point. I just find sometimes if you close your eyes, you can really feel into it a little bit more. Okay, so get comfortable and here we go. Side of the hand. Even though law of attraction doesn't seem to be working for me, I'm blocking something. I'm not 100% sure why I'm blocking it. I may have an idea, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm tapping through the process anyways and loving myself anyways. Even though law of attraction is not working for me. I'm not receiving this thing that I really want. I seem to have a block. And it's frustrating me. I want to just get rid of this block. I'm getting really frustrated. I'm loving myself through the process anyways. Even though there's this thing that I really want. And it's not happening. It's not coming to me. And I'm getting really frustrated. I almost want to give up. Maybe I'm not good enough. What am I doing wrong? Why isn't it working for me? Maybe good things just never happen to me. Maybe I don't deserve it. Maybe I'm not good enough. Maybe I'm just not worthy. I'm loving myself through this process anyways. And take a deep breath and let go. Eyebrow point. It's just not coming to me. And I really want it. Maybe I'm just not good enough. Maybe it's just not meant for me. Side of the eyes. Maybe I'm just not meant to have this. Maybe it's just not meant for my life. Other people can have it. But maybe it's just not meant for me. Maybe it's just not meant for me. Maybe I'm just not worthy enough for it. Maybe I'm just not good enough. I don't know what it is. There's something blocking me from having it. What am I doing wrong? I must be doing something wrong. I must be doing something wrong. Why aren't I attracting it? Why isn't it coming? What am I doing wrong? Take a deep breath. Collarbone. What am I doing wrong? Why isn't it coming? Am I not good enough? Good things don't happen to me. Maybe I'm not worthy. I must be doing something wrong. Side of the ribs. It's not working for me. I'm not getting what it is that I want. I seem to never get what I want. It always feels like a struggle. Why aren't I getting this thing? Eyebrow. I hear I need to let go. That I need to let go in order to receive. But I really want it. Side of the eyes. I really want this thing. Maybe I just need to let go. But I really want it. Under the eyes. How do I trust? How do I let go and trust in order to receive it? To know I can have it. To know I am worthy of it. Am I worthy of it? Maybe I am worthy of it. Under the nose. Maybe it can happen for me. If I could just let go and trust. Can I let go and trust? How can I let go and trust? I want to let go and trust. Chin. I want to just let go and trust. And know that I'm worthy. Know that I'm good enough. Know that it can happen to me. To just let go and trust. Collarbone. Can I just let go and trust? I'm going to let go and trust. I want to let go and trust. Side of the ribs. I want to let go and trust. I'm on a mission to let go and trust. And to live my life in the moment. And allow it to show up when it does. Top of the head. I'm going to allow myself to let go and trust. Be in the moment. Enjoy life in the moment. And just watch as it shows up in my life. And so it is. Take a deep breath. And just remember, sometimes letting go is actually when you actually get to receive things. Is once you actually just let go. Remember, if you want to connect with me more, I've got links below or in my bio, depends on where you're seeing this. Have a great day.